Come on, guys. You don't need to pay for logos anymore. With your smartphone, just your smartphone, you can create any logo for your brand. Come on, join me as I teach you how to do it.
How to make logo for yourself, for your business, for your brand. It is very easy. This app is called Canva. Go to your Google Play Store and type Canva. Let me show you how the interface. Look at it. This is the logo. This is how the Canva app is. They will come up, you download it. Then you search for, if you come, you see this is how the interface looks like. This is how the interface looks like. Network is disturbing me, but for the sake of this lesson we will just go straight into it. So if you want to, as you can see, I have several designs that I've done using this Canva for free, but they have the pro version. If you like to use the pro version, there is no problem. When you scroll down, you see different presentation, book covers, t-shirts, designs. Now this is logo. This is for your logo, the one you want to use on your brand logo. For your brand logo, you can come here. Let's say, for example, I want to make use of this one. Now maybe I like this, so I'll click on it and open it. So let's see how it goes. The network is very good over here, but for the sake of this lesson, we just have to be patient to keep it running. Let's see how it goes. It's the editing interface is trying to come up so that we can move ahead. All right, guys, it has opened. The editing interface has opened. So what we do now, it's very easy. We have to edit this logo to suit for our brand. If you want to use it for your brand, your company logo that you want to use online, it's very easy to do. Don't stress yourself. Now you click on this letter. Maybe my brand name is, for example, I have a brand name that is Forever, for example. So I'll click on this C. I will change it to E. I seen it. I'll click on the K. I will change it to F. You see it? So I've gotten the FE, which is forever. Then I'm going to write it here. Forever. I seen it. Forever. Then I'll bring it here. So you have seen it, guys. Forever. There are a lot of things you can do with this app, but for the sake of this tutorial, I had to. So I've gotten a company logo for my brand, FE Forever. If I don't like this color, I want to change the color, I can just scroll down. You see color setting here. You go down here, you see color. You can change the color. You can change it to any color of your choice. It depends on what you want. You see, I'm changing it to different colors. I can come here, I can choose to change this color to any color of my choice. You change it to different colors. There are a lot of things we'll be doing with this app for the sake of what we want to learn. So I've gotten my logo, so I want to use it on any of my social media platform. What you do now is just go ahead and you download it. This is the download button. You press on the download button, they will give you option. Now you suggested this PNG, but for your free version. But if you are on pro version, you can access this SSSVG. Is good for best web designer and animation. Now, but the suggested one is for PNG. You are using it for your social media platform as your company logo. So you go ahead and click on download. Let's see what happens. I'm preparing the design for us. I'm preparing the design to be downloaded, so let's wait patiently for it to get downloaded. Whoa, we are there. It has this, they just said the template, the logo has been downloaded to and saved to my gallery. So to confirm that, let's go to my gallery. You can access your gallery still in your this thing. Here's my gallery. Can you see the logo? Here's the logo. The logo is here. That's the logo.